Open the smart EnOcean Gateway web interface and log in using the default password, admin. Click the EnOcean menu item to expand it. Click New Device. This will initiate a 60-second countdown timer. During these 60 seconds, the smart EnOcean Gateway will listen for the learn telegrams of devices in range. While the smart EnOcean Gateway is listening for learn telegrams, ensure you are in range and press the Learn button on your Pressac version 3 CT clamp. Once the gateway receives the learn telegram, a new device entry will appear. Ensure the device ID matches the ID of the device that you are trying to add. Click on the pencil icon under the action column to edit your device. A new screen will appear. The only required field is the version 3 CT clamp's friendly ID. This is the identifier which the IBM Watson platform will use for your device. It is advised to use a friendly ID, which resembles the function and location of the version 3 CT clamp. Once finished, click OK at the bottom of the screen to save the entry. To ensure your device was added, click Devices on the menu. You should now see your version 3 CT clamp in the list of devices and the last 3 current values the gateway received from it. That's it. Your version 3 CT clamp is now added to the smart EnOcean Gateway.